Jeannie Aur Juju, Jeannie Aur Juju transl. Jeannie and Juju was an Indian fantasy sitcom which aired on SAB TV Monday through Friday nights. It premiered on 5 November 2012 and ended on 6 June 2014. It is adapted from the American sitcom I Dream of Jeannie. Asgar plays a pilot who discovers a 2,000-year-old Genie, who was originally played by Giaa Manek and was later replaced by Rubina Dilaik. Plot: the story revolves around a pilot, Captain Vikram Khanna aka Vicky, who finds a mysterious magical bottle on an island after his airplane crash, in which he finds a most beautiful and bubbly 2,000-years-old Genie. After Genie enters Vicky's life, she creates lots of problems, but at last Jeannie and Juju Vicky tackle the problem smartly and solve it. In other side, there is a modern lady who is Vicky's girlfriend Priya. Priya then hates Jeannie as she always revolve around Vicky. Then there starts a most romantic, adventurous, cute love story of Jeannie and Juju. Jeannie's sister Giaa comes to stay with them and instantly strikes a war with Vicky and created trouble for him, but nevertheless both deeply cared for each other. She later goes back to Jin Land to complete her course. At last Juju, Vicky finally got married with Genie and lived a happy married life. Cast: Main: Giaa Manek / Rubina Dilaik as Genie, who has also been referred to in the series as Genu. Chapki Geeta Rejo Jain has played the character of Jaywala, and Rupa 2012-2013/2013 minus 2014. Ali Asgar as Captain Vikram Khanna, who has also been referred to as Vicky Juju Munu Sweetapai, Babli Bua Vicky's aunt, Pandy Jai, Teddy Bear, Jinjora, and Rajkumar Vikram. 2012-2014. Harsh Khurana as Captain Virendra Lakan Pal, known also as Vela and Velu. 2012-2014. Navina Bole as Priyanka Priya Seth. Priya has also been called Suman Jai Bibe Priyuthiki Murchai. Rajkumari Paranita 2012-2014. Neha Mehta is Giaa, Jeannie's older sister, who has also been referred to as Didu Sita. Lal Murchai 2013. Recurring: Amit Tandon as Jin Jimmy / Rahul Chaturvedi 2013. Kurosh Debu as Dr. Cirrus Dr. 2012-2014. Jaitan Makai as Pratip Seth. Ashish Roy as Chachur Ganguly 2012-2014. Jehama Mitra as Durga Ganguly. Shoma Anand as Mrs. Sushmita Khanna. Muni Jha as Mr. Bridge Khanna. Daisy Irani as Veli Daddy. Alisha Nathani as Genius. Arish Khan as Jehan Jehan. Karishma Tana as Sanya/Sanu/Lembai Merch 2014. Rashmi Singh as Dimpy Lakan Pal. Mayor Verma as Bunny Seth. Salam Zaidi as Barfi. Farida Jalal as Dagu Daddy 2013. Zahid Ali as Jinjora. Karen Gidwani as Jinjani 2013-2014. Simple Call as Mooni/Chand Katukta/Chandni 2013-2014. Sukesh Anand as Jin Jajia. Tanya Abral as Jadha. Vipul Roy as Jin Jinthani Antony. Puneet Vashist as Jin Joker. Vikas Grover as Jin Jackie. Javed Haider as Chapri Ali Asgar was selected to play Juju. After some episodes, Giaa Manek refused to play the roles because of issues related to channel and production company.